Hello everybody, and now I'll show you how to stream the music from our Arylic audio system. The Arylic, now I use this Arylic A50 as a sample to show you how to use and how to stream the music from the iTunes on the Mac PC to our system. First, the system here is set up. If you use the iTunes often on your Mac PC, it will be very easy to see how it works. Now the system is set up and you can see the device from here. And now you can see there are two devices are connected in the network. Now let me play something and choose some music. Yeah, now it plays. And if you want to choose to any of the devices here, you just choose it, and you can change the volume. If you don't want to listen on the computer, you just don't choose it, and it will be okay. And if you have several our Arylic audio system on your network, you can choose more devices here. You just choose them, and it will work in the multi-room way. And this is a fantastic way to do the multi-room on the iTunes. Now let me play. Now it is playing. This device is in the hall. Now you can hear. Okay, and let's stop. And you can choose any of the music on iTunes, and you can also import your local music, for example. And let me show you how to import. You just only have to import the album or import any list. Now let me import one. Okay, which one? And let me import the Hey Jude. After you import the music, now you can find the music here, the latest added album or latest added music. Now let's play and listen. Right? Change the volume, and you can do everything here. And you can also listen to the radio on the iTunes, and you can go to the iTunes stores and to choose anything you want, and also the library, the music or any music recommended on the iTunes. You can choose anything. But anyway, you just remember to choose the device here, and it is very easy to group the multi-room, and you can you don't even have to use your cell phone. This is fantastic. It's an amazing feature on the iTunes. Yeah, okay, today that's all for the introduction. Yeah.